Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy, and I'm here with a video on the next letter, that is I. I, that is Hindi letter I. So before that, let's go for the practice of the previous letter and then we will get into the I. So the before letter was A. So let's trace this. This is A. So how are we going to trace this? A standing line. Connected to that, a slanting line. To the opposite of it, a small standing line, a short one, and a very short slanting line, and a sleeping line across it. So this is A. A say AD, A say Ek, A say Ekta. These are the different words. Do you remember we have learned? Yes. Now let's get into the next letter, that is I. This is almost looks like A, but you have another slanting line above it. So let's start this. This is a standing line. Connected to it, a little long slanting line. Opposite to it, a short standing line and a very short slanting line. A sleeping line from above and a slanting line with a small loop above. This is I. What is this letter? This is I. Let's write it again. A standing line, a slanting line, which is a little longer, a short standing line and a very short slanting line, a sleeping line from above, and a slanting line with a loop on the upper side of the sleeping line. So this is I. Let's do it one more time. A standing line, a longer slanting line, a short standing line and a very short slanting line, a sleeping line from above, a slanting line with a loop above. This makes I. Yes? Very good. Now let's see the next thing, that is the different words which are starting with the letter I. I say Airavat. Airavat is the white elephant. So the elephant which is in white color is called Airavat. I say Airavat. The next word is I say Ainak, the specs. I say Ainak. So what are the two words? I say Airavat. I say Ainak. Okay. So these are the two words which are starting with the letter I. Now let's see the tip of the day. That is, I'm going to talk about the tripod grip. What is tripod grip? This is for the kids who are between the KGs, who are really struggling to hold the pencil and write. So in my experience, I have come across many kids who are really holding the pencil very wrong, and they complain saying that I have a pain in the hand to write. I'm not interested to write. So these all happens when the child is not holding the pencil properly. So you can once have a check at it where your, as you see, the tall finger, that is the middle finger, is bent, and above it you have the point finger and then your thumb. So this gives the support to hold the pencil. And the next thing is, make sure the child's wrist is touching the table or book. It is taking the support. Many kids have the habit of writing it this way. They are not landing the wrist on the paper or the bench or the table, whatever it is. So this will not do. You have to make sure you have to keep on repeating to your child saying that place your wrist on the table. So this gives the support and make them to write. And I have a simple tip also. You have to say, open the alligator's mouth. It's going to eat your pencil. Eat, 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 eat. Hold it. Stop. You have folded it. So now you can write it. So opening the alligator's mouth is one of the tip where the kids enjoy and they also hold it properly. So this is how you can develop the writing of your child. I can even guarantee you that writing also develops when the proper tripod grip is developed. Yes, hope this tip helps you and make sure your child is following this. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video with the next letter. Namaste.